project. In fact, grandchild of Dr. Chidambaram, who came to our institute and says to do something for social sector. So he gave a project ROOTA. Its name is ROOTA actually, Rural Technology Group, and where our objective is to upgrade the technology of the NGOs, existing technology, to make it more productive or more efficient, or you develop them if they need the new technologies. So in that way we are working last 4 years, and this is technology-driven demand project. So when they ask for us, we develop or we present this technology. That was the object we started. So we have developed several such technologies and given to the people. This one is the pork fry machine. Generally they make it 10 to 20 kilo a day, but they can make it 40 kilo or 50 kilo in 1 hour from this machine. This is it's operated. I've given this machine to person specially. It can be hand operated or it can be motorized. You know, this is for mixing the salt and making fried rice harder, and then we can just take it. Hey, come to the office. This is what we are doing. Even is very inside, and there is no loss of heat. We get food burning from the globe, and then we can insulate it with bricks and mud, and so get about 40 kilo per hour. She makes about 140 kilo in 3 hours a day, and that's what we have done. The mixing salt, hardening, and then immediately she can push 200-300 grams at a time, and just you can make about 40-50 kilo per hour. Earlier they were making only maybe 20 kilo in a whole day.
So how old is this technology?
This is just 1.5 years. Because we started in fact 1 year ago. We have given more than 1 year. This earlier was only hand operated, because it was costing 10,000 rupees, 8,000 rupees. Now he wanted that because now we have electricity in Bengal, no problem with electricity. So we can be a motorized one, so we reduce one manpower. So now they have motor, and the same motor can be used for mixing salt and hardening rice.
Only one motor?
One motor. This is 1 HP motor, but I think we can use a half HP motor, but we have not tested it. And now they can have this system, and there is no need to have no pillar, all that. So this is costing about 20,000 rupees total cost.
20,000.
20,000 rupees.
Can't it be made a little more compact?
We are thinking different way. We want to have a pedal operated one, because sometimes they don't have this motor. They can't build a cost motor. They can go to pedal one. Just pedal it and then you can roll
Yeah,
it.
Because you don't require for this
In
rotary
fact,
motion.
We don't need motor also, because this is hand operated. We started with hand operated.
Hand or feet operated, any one of that.
30 kilo per hour.
Yeah, that is okay.
They don't need. Sometimes they don't need. But this fellow is a very entrepreneur. I tell you, he is selling.
No, who has designed this machine?
This is we designed. IIT Kharagpur.
IIT Kharagpur. Are you from STEP?
Yeah, no, I'm not from STEP. I am from Department of Rural Center and Agri Department, Agriculture Department.
Okay.
I'm professor and head there also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So your team has developed this technology.
My team.
Okay. So how are you commercializing this?
Now that is the problem for us. We have filed patent. Okay. Now
Patent on this? On this?
On this we have filed. We have also filed patent for that also. Just so that ROOTA also. In fact, we have such 10-20 technologies which we are in process of commercialization. But we have to go for, I don't know with whom we should go. This is the, you have not one, we have several such technologies which have given. Okay, just one is, this one is, charkha, no, do by hand, but we have made it pedal operated. This is nothing, just simple innovation, and but that we can work longer time, we have more force lag, and then you can have more production, almost double actually. He is the director, he came and checked it, fine. We have given this technology to KVIC Jharkhand.